Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the US bank app review to see with what's using. So let's quickly dive into it. The US bank mobile app is a highly rated banking app that makes managing money simple and convenient with features like account management, bills payment, mobile check deposit, personalized alert, and easy transfer. It covers everything most users need. It also won award for its design and functionalities, and with strong security tools built in, it's a reliable option for everyday banking. That said, some users report glitches after update, occasional login issues, and a slower response time compared to competitors. While these platforms don't affect everyone, they can be frustrating when they happen. So my conclusion, the US bank mobile app is worth using if you're already a US bank customer and want a secure, full featured mobile banking experience, but not sometimes you will need to switch bank for its own benefit. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.